Well, hello there. Welcome to the break here from Bounty Hunter Breaks. This is Boba Fett me. And, yep, another box of Series 2 hockey. I want to say, I believe Upper Deck is releasing Extended Series next week. Unless they delay it again. But yeah. So, I stopped at my LCS last weekend and wanted to see if they had any trilogy. They did not, but they did have a bunch of boxes of Series 2, so I just picked up a random box along with the Heritage Baseball. So we'll just dive right into it. Again, we're going to do it, I don't want to say rapid rip style, but we're going to just speed run past all the base cards and focus only on the inserts and young guns. So we'll see if we can pull any Easter eggs out of here. I have yet to pull a 16-bit card. I do see that those are, I want to say, highly sought after, because again they are rare. So let's just dive into it. So we start off with a Grant Hutton Young Gun for the Islanders. It's a regular Young Gun, not a French, which, of course, next year the French Young Guns are gone. Whoop. Bump my phone. Oh, we got a World Junior grad of Mort Sider, class of 2020. Oh, we got a die cut, looks like. Colors and contours. Nils Aman for Vancouver. It does not even, oh no, it is numbered. 179 of 250. I'm looking on the front and not seeing a number. It's like, poof, there it is on the back. Got a Judy portrait. Hayden Hodgson for the Flyers. Second Young Gun. Looks like it's a Bruin, although it could be a Penguin. Oh, it's a Bruin. Jesper Froden for the Bruins, who were bounced out of the playoffs by the Panthers, who are now in the Stanley Cup Finals, which starts tonight. We'll see how they fare against the Golden Knights, who, poof, there's the Golden Knights right there. Canvas of Andrei Svechnikov for the Hurricanes, who got knocked out of the playoffs by the aforementioned Panthers. So it's been a really weird playoff, at least from the eastern side. But I guess par for the course. Because again, last year Florida was the #1 seed, and looks like we got Brandon Baddock for Montreal. But yeah, Florida won the President's Trophy last year, and they were bounced out in the first round. And then this year Boston was first President's Trophy winner, and they got bounced in the first round. UD rookie, portrait rookie, Jacob Galvis. Got a Dazzler, Blue Dazzler. So not a rare one. Elmer Soderblom. Or Soderblom. Soderblom. For Detroit. Almost halfway through here. Oh, got a Lunchbox Legend of Trevor Zegras, and something's behind him. What's? Oh, just a base card. Tyler Bertuzzi hiding behind him. So Lunchbox Legend. Another Young Gun. Another Montreal Canadian. Corey Schooneman. At least he's played a few games. Is that for Montreal though? Yep. Halfway point. Looks like another canvas. Jaden Schwartz for the Seattle Kraken. On to the second half. Is it another World Junior grad? Nope. Black and white canvas. Kirill the Thrill. Kirill Kaprizov. For the Minnesota Wild. So that's a nice short print. Oh, we got our instant impressions. Sergei Bobrovsky, who's just been on fire in these playoffs. One of the biggest reasons why Florida has found success. Yep, another Young Gun. Not a French text. Pavel Regenda for Anaheim. That might be it. That might be all of my Young Guns already. Got our honor roll. Mark Kastelic for the Ottawa Senators. Well, we got our postcard, welcome to Edmonton. I really like the looks of them. I mean, even though obviously it's copying an insert that's been done in a couple different products across the manufacturers. Well, we got a canvas of Alexis Lafreniere. We got another insert. This is Seattle. It is. Welcome to Seattle. Out of the last 5. Oh, we got another young gun, so maybe this is a French. It is. So who'd we get for a French young gun? Got a little bit of chippage at the top corner. The same one I already got in the regular version. In the same box. Brandon Baddock. So that should be the bonus. So there shouldn't be any more young guns. Unless we get a canvas. Or we just get another young gun. Ethan Prow for Buffalo. Okay. We'll take extras. Although I tend to get a little, mixed emotions there, because it's like, well, if I'm getting them, then somebody else is not getting all of theirs in their box. Elias Pettersson, World Junior grad, class of 2018. Final 2. Get another Superstar Honor Roll. This one's a Matty Beniers for Seattle. And our final pack. Last chance for a 16-bit. Oh, we got a Program of Excellence, either a POE, a vet, or a Canvas Young Gun. Or, a Canvas Young Gun. It is a Canvas Young Gun. Brandon Bureau. So that's a crazy box. So, quick recap. Got the Matty Beniers Superstar Honor Roll. Welcome to Seattle. Insert. The Instant Impressions of Sergei Bobrovsky. The Black and White Canvas of Kirill Kaprizov. Elmer Soderblom. Blue Dazzler. The Color and Contours, Niles Amon. MVP. 179 of 250. A Canvas Young Gun of Brandon Bureau. Ethan Prow Young Gun. A Brandon Baddock French Young Gun. So there's 3. Pavel Regenda 4. Corey Schooneman 5. Brandon Baddock regular Young Gun. And Jesper Froden Young Gun, and a Grant Hutton Young Gun. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 Young Guns in that box total. So yeah, that was a pretty decent box. So anyway, that concludes this break of another box of 2022-23 Upper Decks Hockey Series 2. So, hope y'all have a great rest of your day, and as always, keep collecting.